Morning, dear students. This is our last chapter. How to write an algorithm to solve a problem. What is an algorithm? Algorithm is a set of sequential steps written in simple English, and to perform a task or a function is known as algorithm. Algorithm is a set of steps, sequential steps, or a sequence of steps to perform a task is known as algorithm. And there are some basic characteristics by which you can write an algorithm for a given problem easily. What are the steps? You begin an algorithm with the keyword start or begin. Begin an algorithm with the keyword start. All the algorithms, step 1 is start. Write each instruction in a separate line, that is step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, etc. Each instruction should be precise and clear. That is written in a simple English. And one or more instructions should not be repeated. One or more instruction should not be repeated. It should range from simple to complex. Some simple problems are solved in simple algorithms, and complex problems are solved in the complex algorithm steps. Okay, each instruction should be executed in a finite time. After execution, the instruction should give the desired result. After execution, the instruction should give the desired result. It must contain infinite number of steps. Then, what is the difference between algorithm and the computer program? An algorithm is a step-by-step instruction to be performed to solve a specific problem. A computer program is a sequence of instructions that completes the rules of a specific programming language. And next difference, algorithms are not language dependent or computer dependent. Computer programs are written in high-level languages, that is BASIC, Java, C++, C, COBOL, etc. Algorithms are problem-solving methods and non-executable. Algorithms are problem-solving methods and non-executable. Computer programs can be executed only by a compiler or interpreter. Only by a compiler or interpreter. For example, write an algorithm to find the sum and average of three numbers. Step 1, start. Step 2, accept three numbers from the console, that is the input device. Step 3, find the sum of three numbers as sum is equal to n1 plus n2 plus n3. Step 4, find the average, that is average equals to sum by 3. Either you write the average equals sum by 3 or find the average. Then step 5, display the result. And step 6, stop. Okay. The algorithm starting with the start command and end with the stop. The last step is stop. Okay. Then another example. Sanjay Malhotra is a student of class 10. He wants to calculate the average marks obtained in science and wants to know whether he is eligible for science or commerce stream in class 11. To get admission in science stream, one needs 70% marks or above in science. Otherwise, he gets commerce stream. Write an algorithm to perform the above task. Step 1, start. Step 2, accept the marks obtained in physics, chemistry and biology from the console. Step 3, find the sum of three subjects, that is sum is equal to physics plus chemistry plus biology. And step 4, find the average, sum by 3. Step 5, if average greater than or equal to 70% or more than, go to step 6, otherwise step 7. Display eligible for science. Go to step 8. Step 7, display eligible for commerce. Step 8, stop. Then, example 3. Write an algorithm to find the grade obtained by a student of a class in the term examination. Marks obtained greater than 80 percentage, grade is equal to A. Marks obtained greater than 60 percentage and less than 80 percentage, grade B. Marks obtained greater than 40 percentage and less than 60 percentage, grade C. Otherwise, no grade. Less than 40 percentage, no grade. First step, start, and step 2, accept the marks obtained in the term examination from the input device. Step 3, if the average marks are 80 percentage or more but less than or equal to 99 percentage, then display grade A. Go to step 7, that is stop command. Step 4, if the average marks are 60 percentage or but less than 80 percentage, then display grade B. Go to step 7. Step 5, if the average marks are 40 percentage or more but less than 60 percentage, then display grade C. Go to step 7. That is stop. If the average marks are less than 40 percentage, grade display no grade. Okay, step 7, stop. Either this first condition greater than 80 percentage, grade is A, or grade is B, or grade is C. These 3 conditions are not satisfied, then display the grade is no grade. Display no grade. Any one of the statement is executed, then go to stop command. Okay, that is step 7. Example 4. Write an algorithm to calculate the income tax to be paid by an employee in the financial year 2017-18 as per the rates. Annual income up to rupees 1,50,000, income tax is equal to no tax, that is 0. Annual income greater between 1,50,000 to 2,50,000, rate is equal to income tax 10% income exceeding 1,50,000. Then annual income between 2,50,000 to 5 lakh, income tax 1,000 plus 20% of income exceeding 2,50,000. Above rupees 5 lakh, income tax 19,000 plus 30% of income exceeding 5 lakh. How to write this program in algorithm? Using algorithm. Step 1, start. Step 2, accept the income. Step 3, income. If the income less than or equal to 1,50,000, display no tax. Go to step 8, stop. If the annual income is more than 1,50,000 but less than 2,50,000, tax is equal to 10% of income exceeding 1,50,000. That is, tax is equal to 10 by 100 into income minus 1,50,000. Then go to stop command. That is step tax. Display the tax and go to the step stop command. If the annual income is more than 2,50,000 but less than or equal to 5 lakh, tax is equal to 1,000 plus 20 by 100 into income minus 2,50,000. Then go to display tax and stop. If the annual income is more than rupees 5 lakh, tax is equal to 19,000 plus 30 by 100 into income minus 5 lakh. Then display tax and go to stop command. Okay. Write an algorithm to enter a number and check whether the number is prime or not. What is a prime number? The prime number is a number which have only 2 factors. Okay. Step 1, start. Step 2, accept a number from the input device. And step 3, take a counter as c is equal to 0. Counter variable should be initialized with the 0. For I is equal to 1 to n. 1 to n. If n modulus I is equal to 0, that is I is a factor. N modulus I is equal to 0, c is equal to c plus 1. Counter adding 1 to this variable. Then repeat the loop till the values of number n. If the value of c equals 2, that is number of factors equals 2, display that number is prime. Otherwise, this number is not a prime. Okay, this is the algorithm to write the number is prime or not. Okay, write a number, the prime or not. Next example, to accept a number and find the sum of the digits of the number. Sum of the digits, that is to extract the digits from the number and adding that digit into the sum variable. Okay. Step 1, start. Step 2, accept a number from the console, that is input device. Step 3, while n greater than 0, a is equal to n modulus 10, first digit extract, and s is equal to s plus a. N is equal to n by 10, then close bracket, that is the while loop is repeating till the value becomes 0. Okay, n becomes 0. Display the sum of the digits. S is the sum variable and display the sum of the digits and stop. Write an algorithm to generate first 20 elements of Fibonacci series. First 20 elements of Fibonacci series. Step 1, initialize I is equal to 0. Step 2, initialize j is equal to 1. Display I, display j. Set count is equal to 2. That is, two Fibonacci numbers are displayed on the screen. Repeat through the step 10 while counter less than 20. First 20 elements is our series, that is while count less than 20. Then k is equal to I plus j. Set I is equal to j and j is equal to k. I is equal to j and j is equal to k. Interchange the values. The first value should be the second and the second value should be the third numbers. Okay. Then count is equal to count plus 1. Stop. Then next program, to check and print whether the string is palindrome or not. Palindrome or not. A number is a string is a palindrome. That is, the string values should be reading from the left to right and right to left are equal. Example, Malayalam, Radar, Madam, etc. And these values, these string values, strings reading from the left to right, then right to left, M-A-D-A-M, Madam. Then reverse string is M-A-D-A-M. Okay, this is a palindrome word. Accept a string str, find the length of the string s1. Next step, count is equal to 0, that is loop variable is equal to 0. Repeat to step 7 while count less than L. Get a character from count position and store in C. Concatenate the character with the string P. Find P is equal to C plus P. For that is while I is equal to L minus 1, I greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus, that is the index value starting from L minus 1 and end with 0. Okay. Then increase the counter. Counter is equal to counter plus 1. Then P is the original string if str is equal to P. That is, P is the reversed string and it is a palindrome. Otherwise, not palindrome. Step 9 is stop. Okay. Okay, students. Okay. How to study this algorithm and write in your notebook and study well. Thank you.